we knew if we provided value for everyone, we would create something where we brought all the lone wolves together, everyone that was on their journey together, and it's a lot more fun.
I need to make this amount of money. I'm talking with Daniel, I'm talking with everybody, and they're like, yo, Benny, focus on the inputs. Like, it's inevitable, right, Rudy? It's inevitable, just focus on the inputs.
Early this morning,
and then I was finally able to match everyone to real people.
When you knocked on my door.
Real people, faces. We could hug each other, we had to high-five each other, it was great.
Early this morning,
we're all trying to hit that million. That's really, really everybody's goal.
When you knocked on my door.
Money is created typically because you're solving a problem.
And I say, hello, Satan.
And then I started making videos solving problems. And literally the day before the event, it started taking off.
Me and the devil.
I'm on the plane and I'm like, yo, I'm like damn near at 1 million views.
Walking side by side.
My main income was from a live stream.
Me and the devil.
I thought to myself, how can I not go around and connect to everybody?
Walking side by side.
I dreamed this at one point, like I would be in a room filled with like-minded individuals.
And I'm gonna see my man until I get satisfied.
Do I need to clock in for you, sir?
See, you don't see why.
Inspiring to me at the same time, like to know that I'm inspiring.
I've never been in a room where everybody collectively wants the best for everybody. I could feel it in the room.
People dogging me around.
You know, I was just listening to everyone's conversations, just like, oh yeah, I went through this when I was a kid. Something that was crazy to me is a lot of people came up to me and said, hey John, I look up to you. Like, it was so weird to me, like, really? I'm just a normal guy. It's like, John, you really helped me out.
I got a video printing. I posted like 9 hours ago.
Doubled my GMV. I can't wait.
You may bury my body down by the highway side.
You know, it's 10 times more fun doing business when you're with other people.
You may bury my body.
It was probably genuinely one of the best moments of my life. It really was.
Thank you to all of you who were there.
I had this problem on my account, people just really giving each other advice.
The people bring the energy, the people do everything, man, and it was such an honor.